This is the Fairhaven Village Militia 2025 spring encampment, spring-summer encampment, as we go through some of the tents that are set up for the rank and file. The members would have slept here. Doing a tour of the encampment. This is our leathersmith shop. We had a tinsmith as well who was making up some tin works. The commander's tent and our cook tent, where the women were earlier preparing some food, making butter, baking pies, making bread. Our armorer, who is showing firearms of the period.
Or they might cut themselves.
360 camera.
So, at this time, John is in Philadelphia.